My Ayurvedic morning routine for energy and calmness. Every morning is a chance to balance your body, mind, and energy. In Ayurveda, how you start your day decides how your doshas behaves in your body. So today, I will share my Ayurvedic morning routine, simple habit that brings calm, focus, and natural energy. The first step is to reconnect with nature. Wake up before sunrise if possible and breathe in the morning prana, fresh air that awakens all senses. Next, start your day with a glass of warm water. It flushes out toxins, wakes up your digestion, and balances kapha dosha. You can also add tulsi, lemon, or a pinch of cumin powder in it. Next, gentle cleansing. Ayurveda suggests tongue scraping to remove arm toxins accumulated from the night. Then a splash of cool water on eyes and a light oil massage to hydrate your skin. And next, movement and meditation. Just 10 minutes of yoga and mindful breathing helps balance Vata, your energy flow. Movement followed by stillness, that's the perfect start. When you align your morning with Ayurveda rituals, your whole day becomes peaceful. Try this for 7 days, you will feel the change within. Thank you so much.